Very good morning to all my friends, especially the management leaders, future management leaders, as well as the leaders of an organization, starting from the business organization to an government of organizations or organizations at the small level, at household level. So today I will focus on some of the key things. One is the management part. The management part I will focus on, followed by the leadership part. One is the management theories, second the leadership theories, because now we have to start the journey from managerial skills to leadership skills. That's my focus, and this topic is mostly related to the students of management, economics, commerce, as well as to all the heads of institutions, to all the leaders of a business community, to all the not only the political leaders, because we have restricted our concept of leadership to only the political scenario. No, we need a good leaders at household level, we need a good leaders at community level, we need a good leaders at every aspect of life. Because what is leadership all about? Today I will discuss in detail about the leadership skills. What are the things which we should develop as the leaders, and we should keep a legacy to the future generations. So now, before going to the leadership part, first I will focus on the managerial part, because my journey today will be from managerial part to a leadership part. So what's management? There are n number of theories behind what's the management. So management, simply one of the definitions which is close to my heart, is the art of getting things done from the people. That's a management. And the management has many aspects. It's not only the management of only it's not management of only people, but it's management of physical resources. As a manager, you have to look after the physical resources. आपके पास resources कम होते हैं, आपकी ज़रूरतें ज़्यादा होती. How we will manage that? Second part will be your financial resources, जिसको financial management कहते हैं. Financial resources will be the second part, which we have to take care of. And the third, which is a tough part, is the human resource management. It's a very tough part. Even though taking care of physical resources is, I can say, to me or to the management gurus, it's very simple. To financial resources, nowadays there has been technicalities. बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें आई है, like invention of stock markets, invention of equities, invention of other things in it. So, but this part is not easy. How to deal with the human resource or the human capital? That's again a tough. And again, in these nowadays we have some challenges, like we have to manage our stress management. How we can manage our stress, or before that, how we can manage our time. So management is touching the every aspect of human life. How you will manage that? There's a simple golden rule, the theories which we used to start from class 11th onwards in the business studies, in the managerial studies, in economics, in sociology, in pol science, different subjects we study that basic managerial theory. So there are n number of things where we have to manage things, especially when you are heading an organization. When as a management guru, you have a responsibility of your office, you have a responsibility of your family. So now, so this is the definition, the art of getting things done through people. That's a very beautiful definition of management. Now this is the basic golden rule of management. How we have to do or deal with the management part. There are the five main functions of a management. 5 मेन फंक्शंस. फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द प्लानिंग पार्ट, क्योंकि हर एक काम 2 बार होता है. पहले जब भी हम कोई काम करते हैं घर में, इवन खाना खाने से पहले भी वी फर्स्ट थिंक अबाउट इट कि क्या खाना है, कहाँ पे खाना है, कैसे खाना है, क्या क्या खाना है. If you want to go to a picnic, you have to you plan first in your mind. So planning part is very crucial. Second, after you have planned, you have chalked down your plan, given your resources, you have put it different things on that. Now you have to come to the next level. That's the organized part. You have to organize. For example, I will start with today. We have a season, we go to the picnics. When you start you planning for a picnic, what you do first, you select a date or you select venue. That's the first and foremost part. Then you select number, किस किस को जाना है, किस किस दोस्त को इनवाइट करना है. उसके बाद क्या क्या खाना है, what should be the menu, what should be the transport, हमें क्या कलेक्शन करनी है, डेट. यू प्लान एवरीथिंग ऑन अ पेपर. दैट्स मोर प्रोफेशनल वे रादर देन कीपिंग थिंग्स जैसे बोल जाते हैं वो चीजें. इसीलिए बेटर है कि आप सब कुछ, यू कीप अ डायरी ऑफ पर्टिकुलर इवेंट, तो उसको हम प्लानिंग फेज कहते हैं. उसके बाद अब अपनी प्लानिंग फेज में सारे यू डू सम एनालिसिस लाइक, उसके बाद यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज थिंग्स. अब आपने ट्रांसपोर्ट का किया, यू हैव टू नाउ ऑर्गेनाइज द ट्रांसपोर्ट. यू हैव टू पुट सम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ समवन, क्योंकि एक वन हैज टू मैनेज, बट आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग थिंग्स डन फ्रॉम द पीपल. तो एक पिकनिक इवेंट, एक या एक कोई फंक्शन, शादी की फंक्शन अरेंज करनी हो, समवन इज मैनेजिंग, बट देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु आर हेल्पिंग देम. In a sense, they are giving their role. That's called staffing in technical terminology. Staffing. That means we divide the role into different parts. That's called a kind of a division of labor. Division of labor. We divide our work because this is the thumb rule of management. When you divide your work, there is a more efficiency. In Kashir Purchase Vanan, कि प्रथ कह अगर काम कर कहन कम करान. दैट्स नो वन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. वी हैव टू मेक पीपल अकाउंटेबल. वी हैव टू गिव देम असाइन वर्क. दैट्स कॉल्ड स्टाफिंग. और इसमें एक बेसिक रूल है, अगर हमें एक सिंपल एक नीडल बनानी है, ये सिंपलेस्ट. इसमें अगर आज के दौर में इफ मैनेजमेंट की थ्योरीज हम पढ़ते हैं, तो उसमें बेटर है कि लेट्स गो फॉर द स्टाफिंग और डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर और स्पेशलाइजेशन जिसको कहते हैं. उससे एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाती है. स्पेशलाइजेशन, एफिशिएंसी इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय व्हेन वी डिवाइड आवर वर्क. हाउ? ये जो हेड है उसका, someone will make the head of it, someone will make the body and someone will make the tip. इससे एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाती, काम ज्यादा होगा. सिमिलरली आप लाइफ के हर एक चीज में एज अ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल हेड, एज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ गवर्नमेंट फंक्शनरी, प्राइवेट फंक्शनरी, बिजनेस यूनिट, किसी भी चीज का स्टार्टिंग पर अगर बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज का भी देखेंगे, दे हैव अ सेम गोल्डन रूल. दिस नाउअडेज वी वर्क स्पेशलाइजेशन. उससे क्या होती, एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाती. स्पेशलाइजेशन से वी गेट द वन गोल दैट्स कॉल्ड एफिशिएंसी. सो एफिशिएंसी इज द मेन गोल. उसके बाद नाउ वंस यू डू द स्टाफिंग पार्ट, देन देयर हैज टू बी समवन हु विल डायरेक्ट. यत कशिर पटिस अमीर छ वनान. देयर शुड बी समवन हु विल डायरेक्ट दैट. उसके बाद एक बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, यू नीड अ कंट्रोलिंग पार्ट आल्सो. That's again a good part, because there can be things where someone should have a control. So this is the basic management part, and this has been, we have been doing this thing from last couple of decades, or from couple of decades in India or in Kashmir also. But now जो मेरा आज मकसद है, हम मैनेजमेंट से आगे हम लीडरशिप पे जाएंगे. That's my aim. Why? Because nowadays we need a good leaders. I will define in black and white ki leadership kya hai, or why we need a leadership in all the aspects of life, especially in the organizational building. एक अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिल्ड करने के लिए we need a good leaders. So what is leadership? On leadership, this is the best definition I can say on leadership given by the Bowles and Davenport. ये क्या कहता है कि एक लीडर का काम क्या है? लीडर इज एक्सपेक्टेड, क्योंकि वी हैव टू बियॉन्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, बियॉन्ड मैनेजमेंट टू लीडरशिप. नाउ वी हैव टू इन एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को चलाने के लिए यू डोंट नीड ओनली एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पार्ट, यू डोंट नीड ओनली मैनेजमेंट पार्ट, बट मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली एक अच्छी ग्रोथ के लिए व्हाट यू नीड इज अ लीडरशिप. तो लीडरशिप के लिए क्या चीज है? एक सबसे पहला मकसद उसको यह होना चाहिए कि ही शुड बी एबल टू मेंटेन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, चाहे आप एक इवन रेस्टोरेंट चला रहे हैं या एक बड़े बिजनेस ग्रुप लाइक टाटाज हैं, अंबानीज हैं, अमेजॉन हैं, या इवन इन कश्मीर वी हैव अ स्मॉल बिजनेसेस, उस बिजनेस को मेंटेन करने के लिए वी नीड टू हैव अ गुड लीडर. दूसरा गोल क्या है? लर्निंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो भी कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हम चला रहे हैं, दैट शुड बी अ काइंड ऑफ लर्निंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी नीड, अगर हमें ग्रो करना है, इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड आवर बिजनेस, क्योंकि आपने देखिए कितने भी बड़े कंपनीज थे, दे हैव बीन स्टार्टिंग, लेट्स आई विल कोट टुडे टाटाज, बिकॉज they are doing business with ethics. Tata, and they have, because Tatas have only 1% share of their whole business. It's a global giant now, the business giant. So now what they have make Tata starting from a mill. एक मिल से लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया इंडिया में, and nowadays they are ruling steel industry, they are ruling what we call it Tata Consultancy Services. They are having Tata Motors, automobiles. So that means we have to take into consideration not only the maintaining organization, but as well as the learning organization. Now, third part is the innovation, which is outcome of this. If when you make your organization, चाहे वो कोई सा भी business हो, you have to make that business as a learning organization, because nowadays market कैसे behave करता है, you need to improve day by day. You need to have a different kind. Suppose if we cotton mill से लेके एक organization को grow करने के लिए you have to keep scope for research and development, which is famously known as R&D. Research and development is the key aspect to sustain the business. Once we want to sustain in the business, and especially in present day when we have a ICT boom or IT boom, where businesses change within seconds. Something happens in the political scenario can affect the business of a business community as a whole. Something like COVID-19 can come and it can swap the n number of businesses. So what you have to do, you have to think in terms of innovations. That's the job of a leader, because leader need to have a wisdom, and most important thing is ultimately you need to satisfy what is your end product. It's not only to earn profits. Tatas have only 1% company की ownership, only 1% of their own. Ultimately they have a good name in the business community because they have satisfied the needs of common masses. Even though there has been some experiments which might be a failure, like they are owning some of the big brands of world, even Tetley, starting from Tetley to Jaguar or Roots, बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स या स्टील, इतने इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स दे आर ओनिंग, and most importantly they have satisfied the needs of a people. That's more important as a leader. So let's go something for the leadership. तो what is leadership? Leadership एक अहम चीज है. It's a process of influencing people. Leadership is process of influencing the people. आप अच्छा कर रहे हो as a head of an institution, आपकी जो subordinate staff हैं they will get influenced. For example, someone works in some department or some private company. अगर ऑफिसर और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर और मैनेजर सुबह पौने 9 उसकी ड्यूटी ऑफिशियल आवर से 9 से 5 तक, वो 8:30 ही ऑफिस पहुंच जाए तो ऑब्वियसली सारा स्टाफ पौने 9 से पहले आ जाएगा. तो दैट्स इन्फ्लुएंस. उसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आप जी वक्त पे आओ. नो, इन्फ्लुएंस से ही है. दिस द सिंपलेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ क्रिएटिंग एन इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन द पीपल. एंड नाउ अब लीडरशिप के साथ साथ कुछ चीजें आती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he gets a power in itself. Once you are a head, you are a manager, or you become a leader of an organization, you get a power with you. What's a power? Basically, it's an ability to change the behavior. एक इंसान का बिहेवियर चेंज करेंगे किससे? 2 टूल्स आपके पास हैं. या आप रिवार्ड देंगे या पनिशमेंट देंगे. दिस इज द पावर. सेकेंड, उसके बाद एक अथॉरिटी, आपको लीगली एक अथॉरिटी मिलती है जिससे व्हाट यू विल डू, विच इज योर राइट. आप अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स की सैलरी की इंक्रीमेंट नहीं देंगे. आप सबऑर्डिनेट की सैलरी कम करेंगे. आप सबऑर्डिनेट्स की सैलरी रिवार्ड में बढ़ाएंगे. यू कैन गिव द मोर बोनस. दैट्स अ लीगल राइट फॉर अ लीडर. उसके बाद द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज द इन्फ्लुएंस. इससे क्या होता है? यू आर चेंजिंग द बिहेवियर ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल बाय इन्फ्लुएंस, नॉट बाय द रिवार्ड एंड पनिशमेंट. नॉट बाय द रिवार्ड एंड पनिशमेंट. वो खुद से खुद आपको देख के वो कहता है ही इज माई आइडल. आई वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक रतन टाटा. आई वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक बिल गेट्स. आई वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक द माओ. आई वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक, चाहे पोलिटिकल लीडर्स की बात करें, आई वॉन्ट टू बी बिजनेस लीडर्स की बात करें. बिकॉज मोर हाउ टुडे वी फोकस ऑन द बिजनेस लीडरशिप. We focus more on the leadership at the macro level as well as the small level. A restaurant owner which has created a big name, like we have one big change in the form of KFC chickens. You see, they have really created an influence all over the world. So these are the 3 things which leader. Now अब एक रिफ्लेक्शन मैं चाहता हूं आपसे, क्योंकि लेट्स हैव सम रिफ्लेक्शन कि क्या लीडर्स बॉर्न होते हैं ना. ये अहम सवाल सबके जहन में होगा कि लीडर्स आर बॉर्न, है ना. देयर आर डिफरेंट. और लीडर्स बनाए जाते हैं, और सम सिचुएशंस मेक द लीडर. देयर आर सम रिफ्लेक्शंस. उसके कुछ आंसर्स मैं दूंगा, कुछ आंसर्स आप देंगे. सी, अब ये स्लाइड काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि एज अ लीडर आप में क्या क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ लीडर. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है एक लीडर में, ही शुड हैव एक बड़ा विजन उसके पास होना चाहिए. बिकॉज आई विल स्टार्ट, इवन दो दीज आर द टेक्निकली दीज थिंग्स शुड हैव, बट मोर अप ही शुड हैव अ विजन. ही शुड हैव अ बिगर काज इन हैंड. बिकॉज पैसा कमाना इज नॉट ओनली द थिंग. दिस इज स्मॉल इमीडिएट गोल. इट्स नॉट पार्ट ऑफ अ विजन. सो ये आपके लिए, ये जैसे आई हैव कोटेड, अ विजन इज द कमोडिटी ऑफ लीडर्स एंड पावर इज देयर करेंसी. विजन होना इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब रतन टाटा का एक विजन था तब जाके आज वो इस मकाम पे पहुंचा है. वह दुनिया के बड़े बड़े जो बिजनेस लीडर्स हैं, टाइकून्स हैं, विच आर आइडल फॉर ऑल. आई हैव वन गुड बुक विच आई हैव गॉट ड्यूरिंग माई maybe early when I was in studying at secondary level. This is very close to me. World famous CEOs and their business mantras, their leadership tools. इसमें बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें which I recommend. It has given hundreds of business leaders with brief, precisely. The book is from Pushtak Mahal. It's a good book. It starts with some of the rules of business. Some of the, because and the initial what leadership has nowadays in crisis. Why? Business leaders, they are not satisfied. Business heads are not satisfied with their job. They are in stress. So why? Because In leadership, you have to have a behavior, risk taking behavior. You have to take risk, then and only you can be ahead. You have to be self confident rather than keeping yourself in the stress all the time. It's better to take some risk and take some big decisions, and then and only you will be called a leader. And most important, you should have a strategy skill. You should think about the long term, not only the short term goals. No, long term also. You should have a vision. And these are the characteristics which all the individuals in the world should have. That's the honesty, ethics, deep care for the others. You should care for others. As a leader in an organization, you should care about the peon. You should care about the सफाई वाला. You should care about everyone in the organization. Then and only एक organization बड़ी organization कहलाती है. Even why I'm quoting all mostly today Ratan Tata. He has visited, he has traveled hundreds of kilometers to see his one of the employee. His health was deteriorated and he visited his home. That's a indication of a real business leader. And most important thing, you should be able to communicate well what you want to say, because मेरे एक उस्ताद कहा करते थे कि दुनिया में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं बिकॉज ऑफ जो मैं कहना चाहता हूं वो दूसरे के पास वो बात उस अंदाज से उस तरीके से नहीं पहुंचती है. सो देयर इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. सो लीडर का एक बहुत अहम रोल है कि ही शुड बी एबल टू कम्युनिकेट वेल, स्पेशली when the media is trying to manipulate the things. And uske baad he should have a emotional stability with him. Reason being, there can be ups and downs in the business organizations. That's a part of business. Once you take the risk, there can be up, there can be, like in stock exchange, we have a bull, we have a bear situations. So this can be happen in all the businesses. Now, these are the leadership theories which I will skip, which is there in my presentation, which you can download. But इसमें एक अहम चीज़ है इस leadership approach में कि one is the something which was dominant in early 30s 40s. उसके बाद there has been some behavioral approach, there has been some contingency approach, but जो आजकल most important is the shared leadership concept. एक बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बनाने के लिए यू कांट बी समथिंग ऑटोक्रेटिक, यू हैव टू बी अ डेमोक्रेटिक, यू हैव टू बी अ शेयर्ड लीडरशिप. यू हैव टू, दिस इज द thing which I want to make it clear. This is something the old leadership. Why this is something autocratic? Like we have a political leaders like Hitler की example देते हैं. It was more of autocratic. But nowadays the new leadership prime you won't find. This is a shared leadership concept. एक बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बनाने के लिए you need to have a good leaders which can make a good influences. Like in Indian context, usually हम कोट करते हैं एजुकेशन सेक्टर में गांधी को. Even the being having a law graduate, we quote him. स्किल एजुकेशन की बात आए हम गांधी को कोट करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि he has this type of leadership. Now, democratic leadership, it has both advantages: autocratic, laissez-faire, effective leadership. हाँ, there has been some changes in the leadership. जो आज मेरा जर्नी था management to leadership, why we need them? Because we need to create leaders at every level, at a micro level as well as macro level, which can create influence in their subordinates or in their offices. First is, there has been a changes in interpersonal relationships. There's a, because of urbanization, because of globalization, there has been a change, and it's quite obvious. And there has been a, because of media, because media is, even though social media or electronic media, there has been a crime and anti-social activities. Because sometimes at the earlier adult or youths, what they have their idols. If someone like film star like Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan will smoke, obviously because he is a leader for a group of people, they follow him. Whatever he do, whatever he wears, people follow him. So that's again their thing we have to take into consideration. And there has been a new policy changes at every level, government level, private level. New laws are coming, so leaders has to be, there's a program of action. And most important is, in the organizations we have a multi-language, multi-regional people living. We have a people in, we talk of Delhi MNCs, we have a people working from North India, we have people from South India, we have a eastern part of India. So once they club together, they have some multilingualism is there. There can be some cultural differences can be there. There can be a chance of cultural aggression. So a leader has to take these things into consideration. And another important thing is, there are associations which are or there are civil society which work for certain causes, which as a leader, as a head of an organization, you have to take into the consideration. Now there has been a adversity role. Sometimes community is negating their leadership because leaders have a vision. They foresee, they can predict the future, but sometimes community wrecks. There can be a up and down in the businesses, rise and fall in the business, and leaders are tested during this time, like COVID-19. Businesses fall, a recession. Leaders are tested in these times. They have to work very hard in the crisis times. And nowadays, there's a demand for accountability, because accountability is missing in every business aspects. Accountability is missing. And this is very common nowadays: drugs, sex abuse, violence, unrest, some racial differences, some cultural differences, where as a leader you have to be an empathetic. You have to take all the people together, and then and only you can lead an organization. Now there's a one important concept that's called a transformation leadership. This is the most important concept which I want to discuss today. If you really want to be ahead as a manager, as an administrator, as a leader, you want to transform an organization which is at zero level. You have to start from the scratch. Then you have to use this tool that's called transformation leadership. Why? Because most few things are very common in all the leadership theories. That's, you need to build a trust. एक अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तभी बन जाती है, एक अच्छा बिजनेस तभी बन जाता है व्हेन यू हैव अ ट्रस्ट. लाइक एन रेस्टोरेंट ओनर, if there's a trust, जो कंज्यूमर वहां आता है, he has a trust on the owner of a restaurant, then and only his sales will improve. He should have there should be an inspiration and administration. You should always, what you will do, you should have a respect for the leader too. Now, and more importantly, it should be a participatory. It should be a participatory. You should be concerned over the things. So this thing. Now, how to develop this transformational leadership? This I will stop with this. Visionaries know what must be done, and implementers know how it's to be done. Especially क्योंकि लीडरशिप जो विजन होता है, दैट्स फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड, तो उसमें एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, ही शुड बी एबल टू नो इट. So now let's start with these things, how we can yeah. Here I will focus for some time. You, as a leader, you need to motivate the people. How? You have to be, as a communicator, I said in the beginning, you have to be a good communicator. And another important thing, you need to consult the people. You can't be autocratic in the leadership. In any organization, you have to consult the people. You have to consult the people to make a shared vision. शेयर्ड विजन, क्योंकि एक पियान का भी एक विजन होना चाहिए कि हाउ ही विल ग्रो इन नेक्स्ट 10 years. एज अ लीडर आप अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को काफी आगे लेना चाहते हैं, तो यू हैव टू टेक इन द कंसिडरेशन द वॉचमैन, यू हैव टू टेक इन द कंसिडरेशन द R&D पार्ट, you have to consider in the accounts part, and the participation important, and another thing is counseling part. So these are the some of the this is the some of the characteristics of a good leaders in the business community or in the political scenario or in the science and technology. क्यों सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज वो चीजों को लीडर्स गेट थिंग्स डन विथ वेरी लिटिल मोशन, वो खुद से उनका इन्फ्लुएंस ही ऐसा होता है कि वो जब आते हैं तो चीजें खुद ब खुद हो जाती हैं. तो ये दिस शुड बी वन ऑफ द क्वालिटी. सेकंड, जो वो इंस्ट्रक्शंस नॉट थ्रू वर्ड्स बट थ्रू डीड्स और द एक्शंस, his action speaks more, his influence speaks more than the words or the connotations or the circular instructions. After that, he informs about, he knows everything, he wants to keep record of, he has to keep record of everything, but hardly interferes, he don't interfere, but he knows everything. He's a good strategist, वो एक अच्छी स्ट्रेटजी बना के फिर he influences the people, and he is a catalyst. Most importantly, I will here quote the example of when India launched the satellite. When India launched the satellite, it failed miserably, and in that time, it's in the book Ignited Minds, written by our president, ex-president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. जब फेल हुआ तो वो जो उसकी इसरो के देन डायरेक्टर थे, ही केम फॉरवर्ड एंड टुक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि ये फेल मेरी वजह से हुआ. और जब सेकेंड टाइम इसरो लॉन्च द सैटेलाइट और इट्स मेड अ बिग सक्सेस, देन that director was not during the press conference. He left and allowed Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to brief the press. That's a real leadership. That's a real influence. जब आपके साथ कुछ uneven हो जाए, क्योंकि business में once you take the risk, there has been some up or down in the businesses. If there's a failure, you have to take the responsibility. If there is a success, give the credit to your all the people who are around you. Don't take credit of your own. With this note, I will continue this leadership series, because which I personally feel that we as the managers, we as the administrators, we as the students, we as the we should be able to create good leaders in our family, in our society, in our business world, in our government setup, in our private setup. So that's why it's a training kind of module or a series for developing the leadership. Thank you very much. And I hope you will be in touch with me regarding if you have any query and you want to add something to it. You can write to me, or you can text to me, or you can freely call me. Thank you, and see you soon.